Today we're going to go over how to add an ICX switch from RUCKUS as a command and control switch from the RXg. We're going to go to Network, Wired. And in the Switches scaffold, we're going to click Create New. We're going to name this ICX. The type is RUCKUS ICX switch. And the IP address we want it to be at, 192.168.5.2. We're going to set the password that we're eventually going to end up with. And we're going to click Create. And if we go over to our switch, we're going to log in. And we're going to click the Sync Not Enabled. Set the current password and the management port and click Download Bootstrap. And that's going to give us a Bootstrap file to paste in to the switch. So we're going to copy this and paste this into our switch. And we're going to wait for the switch to reboot. And once we see the enter key to log in, we're going to log back into the switch. And we're going to paste in phase 2. Now, if we go back over, we'll see that the switch is online. And we're going to click the synchronization again and click Generate Diff to enable sync. It's going to log into the switch and check the configuration. And here are all the things that need to be done to get it in line. You can see it's adding the local radius server with the local key. Click Enable Config Synchronization. It will run those commands on the switch. And the configuration is now in sync. Now, any VLANs that we add on the RXg will also be added to the switch. If we go to Network and LAN, I'm going to create a new VLAN interface. We're going to make it VLAN 1000. And we're going to keep the per subnet auto increment on with a ratio of 1. We'll click Create. And let's create some network addresses. And we're going to have a starting IP address of 10.0.0.1/30. We're going to associate this with the test VLAN. And we're going to auto increment this 100 times. So this will create 100/30 networks. Create DHCP pools and create new IP groups and click Create. Back in our wired scaffold here, we're going to click Edit. And we're going to tag the VLANs for test. And that will add all 100 of those new VLANs to the switch. It'll turn yellow here as it runs the commands on the switch. And now it is successful. We can go back to our switch. And if we do show VLAN, you'll see that all these new VLANs were created on the switch automatically. Thank you very much.